Hey everyone, I'm excited to bring you an amazing deal on Pictory, the AI-powered video editing tool that simplifies creating professional videos. With my exclusive offer, you'll save 20% for life on any Pictory plan. Yes, 20% off for the lifetime of your subscription. Here's how to claim it. Click the link in the description to go straight to Pictory's site. If you're new, click Getting Started to create an account. You can sign in with Google or create one manually in seconds. Once signed up, you'll have a 14-day free trial to explore everything Pictory has to offer. When you're ready, click the upgrade button in your dashboard to choose a plan. I recommend the professional plan, but all of Pictory's plans are fantastic. At checkout, enter the code CREATOR20 in the coupon section and hit apply to lock in your discount. Depending on the plan, you could save up to $100 annually. This is the best deal available on Pictory and a great way to unlock powerful video editing tools while saving big. Don't wait, click the link below, use the code CREATOR20 and start creating stunning videos with ease. If you have questions or need more info, leave a comment or check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.